Hello and welcome to our top tips on how you can grow your business in 2023 and beyond. Hello, my name is Rob Spence, the Managing Director of Paragon Sales Solutions. I'm a sales trainer, sales author, and a business owner. Now, we are kickstarting our new YouTube video series. This is going to be put all over YouTube. You're going to see it on Facebook, you're going to see it on TikTok, and you're going to see it on Reels. Now, in this video, we're going to focus on what you can do to increase your sales, to grow your business in 2023. Now, this is always a good time to focus on this kind of thing. It's the new year. Everyone sets forward New Year's resolutions and stuff, which is awesome. But how many of us keep those New Year's resolutions? So instead, what I want you to do from this video is focus on these 5 tips as goals. These are the 5 things that you can do, and if you concentrate on them, set them as goals, I bet if you and I sat down at the end of 2023, you'll say, Rob, you have helped me to grow my business in 2023. So before we go on, do hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, and make sure you like the video and drop a comment and say, Rob Spence, your quiff is amazing, if you want. Let me know you're watching. So let's crack on with these 5 tips. So the first one is to utilize digital marketing strategies. Now, as always, this is probably a subject we could ramble on about for hours, and if you keep tuned and if you do subscribe to these videos, you'll see some videos coming out that focus more on digital marketing strategies. However, the simple thing is if you're not generating content, if you're not putting content out there across social media, onto your website, then you're only going to get lost in the abyss. The digital world is very noisy, it's very, very busy. Don't stress about the finer things. Just create the content, put it out there. Social media platforms are free. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Be Real, Snapchat. These are all platforms that, well, Twitter, there are elements to pay, but by the by, focus on those. Of course, you can dig deep. You can dig deeper and look at things like SEO, so search engine optimization. You can look at pay-per-click adverts. You can look at Google ads. Of course, there are always steps to go further and further into the digital abyss, but get some content, create it, upload it, and see what happens. What have you got to lose? Second tip is to focus on lead generation. If you're salespeople, if you're business, or if you're a business owner and you don't have leads to convert, then you're sitting on a dry sales pipeline. Make sure you encourage those leads to come through, once again, either through digital marketing, either through more stringent and more attacked ways of generating leads, such as telemarketing, cold calling, direct mail. Make sure you've got a pipeline full of leads. If you aren't generating enough leads for your business, by all means, get in contact with us today and we can generate those leads on your behalf. Next up, you want to ensure you have a sales process in place. It's amazing how many people I speak to that don't have a sales process in place. They just expect and hope and wish and pray that these leads will come around somehow. Get a sales process in place. Now, this is something you can do internally. Once again, I'm always on hand to help you develop, build, and learn your own sales process. A sales process doesn't have to be complicated. You need to know the steps that you're going to take to get a sale from the start and all the way to the finish. And also, don't forget the aftercare within that sales process as well. Utilize automation as best you can. There's so many tools out there now which will give you the chance to automate your sales process and help you to encourage further conversations with your leads. So whether it be an automated email process, whether it's automated emails through your CRM system to help you keep in contact with your prospects and also your customers, automation doesn't have to be an enemy of yours. It can be your ally as long as it's utilized properly and as long as you don't forget that at the end of the day and at the start of the day, we're all humans. And finally, network. Get yourself out there. One of the biggest things or biggest problems I see with business owners is that they wish and hope that they could get out there, they can market their business or their service, and they wish they could have more sales. But what they do is they trap themselves in their office and they bury themselves away on a little computer where no one can see them, no one can hear of them. They go, well, where's my next customer coming from? Get out there, network. There are ample opportunities of networking events out there. Of course, we at Paragon, we operate our own Leicestershire Business Network group. I'll drop a link to those below if you're lucky enough to be watching this on YouTube. But there are loads of them out there. Once again, there'll be videos coming up over the coming weeks and months that will detail how you can make the most out of your networking opportunities. So, as I said at the start of the video, make sure you subscribe because there's some incredible tips coming along over the coming weeks and months. And that's it. They're my very 5 simple tips. They're not reinventing the wheel. If anything, they are far too simple. However, from my own experience of working with my colleagues and my clients and growing their businesses, but also growing my own business. We started from £300 in my bank and using no fancy marketing strategies, not really investing anything in marketing. We've now grown the business into a 6-figure business. So if I can do it, then you can do it as well. What do you think? Are these tips too easy and too simple, or are they a bit complex? Drop a comment below, let me know what you think, and keep your eyes peeled over the coming weeks and months for more great content. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, all the best.